Okay, welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a quick video on the update of my electrical panel installation. Got the conduit in for my outlets around my shop. I think I'm probably gonna put another conduit in. I think it's gonna be three. Well, I think it's gonna be three. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is what I've done. I installed the wiring for the inverter. That's the yellow wire down there, right there. And then the dark gray conduit is for the ground. And then I got an outlet running over this direction here. Right there is junction box. I'm going to put two outlets here just because I don't want to have a wasted box. So I'm just going to put two outlets here. Then I'm going to be plugging some lights in and the vent fan. So this is what I've done. I installed the conduit, got everything bolted down real good, neatly installed like a professional. I'm not an electrician, but I am an artist. I am a graphic designer. I know how things should look. I know how things should go together. So, and I can do stuff like this myself. Because I do have a background in installation, not electrical, but data networks. Dealing with fiber optics and category 5, 6, whatever it is now, and fiber optics and coax and all that stuff. I did a lot of that for a long time. From satellite TV to cable TV to commercial, Walmart, banks, hotels, all around the country. So that's um, a segment of my background I don't talk about. But this is why I'm able to do this stuff, because I have a background in it, and telephone. So I just want to give you guys a rundown. Let's see what I did. I'll make a short video, not too long, but just, show you my junction box here, where, like I said, I'll put some outlets here, and you see my conduits here for my ground, and the two that's going up in the loft area are going to be for outlets on the other side of my shop. So, and that little silver box there is probably going to come out, or I don't know, I might just put a plug on it and do something with it since it's there. But it's not going to be a factor in anything, just probably be some kind of backup. And I moved my fuses, I installed them there. And another thing that I got here, let me show you here, my junky desk here. I got a little refrigerator here that I got under my desk, because I wanted something to keep a load on my solar power. And I noticed during the day it does not have any drainage. Let me see if you see that or not. Let me see if you can see that. Right there, the battery is full, and it stays that way. Now, it'll drop one notch when the sun goes down, and that's it. And then as soon as the sun come back up, it's fully charged again. So, and that's all on solar. And this is I think it's just a 65 watts, somewhere in that range, refrigerated freezer. I'll be out here working, I need something cold to drink. I throw it in there and have some cold water or have a cold drink. I don't drink no alcohol or anything like that. So there would not be any beer or any alcoholic beverages in here. but it will be water and maybe some Sprite or some Starry or something like that, or 7 Up. Clear drinks. I don't drink too many dark drinks either. But anyway, back to my project at hand. Um, this is my solar installation. You know, the last video I made, I installed a panel, and the other day I just went back to Lowe's and bought, not Lowe's, but Home Depot. Well, some of it came from Lowe's and Home Depot. Most of it came from Home Depot. So that's where I'm at. And now I got to wire in the outlets for this box here, and tie those wires into the one into the breaker, the hot into the breaker, the white into the common, and that copper, strip copper into the ground. That's nothing added with that ground bar up top there. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I want to end this video to give you guys a quick update on my progress. And for some reason, business has been slow. I guess because of high gas prices and all the crazy stuff that's going on. But my business has slowed down, and that don't usually happen this time of the year. So I guess maybe we better be a little concerned, because my phone is not ringing and the business is slowed. But you know, t-shirts is not a necessity. You know, custom print t-shirts is not something people got to have, but paying bills and paying rent and food, those are things that people got to have. So I think, you know, we're going to be hurting a little bit, but hopefully I can weather the storm. You know, I do have some savings that I can ride off of. And if nothing else, hey, if push comes to shove, I might have to go see if I can find me a little part-time job if I don't start get some customers in. But yeah, things have definitely slowed down. But I should be okay. But I know a lot of people will not be. So I'm gonna keep building this here and show you guys the progress as I complete. So what I'm gonna do today before it start pouring down rain, I'm going to wire this up and see if I can get some of the outlets wired up and get everything closed in, and I'll be back. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I am out.